it a couple times. Alright guys, we're going to jump to the flyby video. After that we'll have some thoughts, leave it open for questions, and all the links for the parts on the bike for the walk around will be below. Alright guys, we're back from our flyby video. So as you could hear, the exhaust is really loud. It goes beyond any of my expectations with how loud it is. We didn't purchase the baffle, as we've said before, so if you want the ability to change how loud it is, I highly recommend adding that extra baffle. I can't remember the price. I've said it in a video
59.
Before. I don't remember.
It's 59 or 69.
It'll be an option in the link. All the links for the exhaust, the tail light, the flush mounts, the fender eliminator, all of that will be in the description below, because I don't think we've done a full walk around or any of that since any parts have been installed. Aside from that, I didn't really notice a difference in power. Obviously, it's like I said in videos before, we didn't really buy it for performance, and it's not really going to give us any performance. It's a slip-on with no engine work whatsoever.
But that doesn't mean that, you know, it's not going to give you any performance. We just...
It doesn't. That's exactly what it means.
What happened? Oh.
In regards to weight, I'm sorry guys, I forgot to actually weigh it before I put it on the bike.
Way lighter though.
It's way lighter than the OEM exhaust, and as you can see in the installation video, link below, the difference in size compared to...
I would probably say it shredded about a good 8 pounds.
At least.
At least 8 pounds.
It's pretty heavy for the OEM exhaust. So that's my thoughts. Kim rides with it. I can tell you that riding behind it sucks because I can barely hear what's going on in my helmet. But she rides on the bike, so she might have a few more thoughts in regards to it. Sorry, we're waiting for the bike to go by. Oh, it's a chopper. So Kimmy D, what do you got for thoughts?
So I do recommend, if you do want to hear music on your headset, I recommend the baffle 100%. When me and him are riding and I have a GPS on, he always yells at me because I'm looking down to see where I have to turn, and he's like, you have GPS. I can't hear it. I can't hear Google say turn left or turn right in 500 feet.
It's annoying that she's always slowing down and speeding up and slowing down and speeding up because her eyeballs aren't on the camera.
Which sucks.
Or the phone.
So I recommend a baffle if you are the type of music person. If you want to be loud and you want to be heard, if you live in a dangerous state like we do, where we need to be heard.
That's any state with cars on the road.
Well, Michigan.
Any state.
Okay. Well, I don't know about you guys, but Michigan is pretty bad. But if you want to be heard from like a mile away, you don't need the baffle. Who is that?
Yeah, it's one of my girlfriends.
I knew it.
Yeah. She likes my bikes. All right, guys. Again, this is Third Gear. Thanks for joining us on this video right here. I'm Catch.
I'm Lil Kimmy D.
Subscribe. Come see us again.